也充满人情味与温暖。台湾给予许多学生学习与成长的机会，同时也教会我们变得更加独立与负责。来到台湾后，我看到许多美丽的风景和整洁的城市环境，也满满感受到老师们和学生们的友善。这些经验让我感到非常幸福，也更加珍惜每一天在这里学习的时光。在这段时间里，最令我印象深刻的是一次系上的活动，来自不同国家的同学们一起合作交流，不仅增进了彼此的友谊，也让我体会到多元文化的美和力量。现在的我充满感激和希望，期待未来能继续一起努力学习中文，提升自己，并与来自越南、泰国、菲律宾、马来西亚以及世界各地的同学们一起成长。最后，祝大家在新学期里学业顺利，身体健康，心想事成。谢谢大家。
Good afternoon to our school president and to our beloved teacher and to my fellow students. My name is Howard Earl Gitang and my friend's name is Lee Howard. I am from the Philippines, currently taking a bachelor's degree here at Nanyang University of Technology, majoring in leisure business management. It's a nice and pleasure to meet you all guys here. To start this speech, back when I was in the Philippines, I first introduced myself to learning the language with the help of our recommended words, which also introduced Nanyang University to us, and also made it possible for us to be here in Taiwan. I also attended the free online Mandarin class held by our university, Nanyang. I appreciated those foundations they gave to us, especially we not only learned the language but also had a fun and exciting interaction with my Filipino peers. While learning the language, I also searched some interesting things here in Taiwan, specifically in childhood, such as food, restaurant, or even festival. Because living here in a different country, especially if the language is not your second language, it's really difficult knowing that it will stick on you whether you like it or not. There's actually a lot of reasons why I was eager to study here in Taiwan. First, universities here in Taiwan is known for providing an excellent facilities in architecture. And I approved that when I arrived here at Nanyang. Buildings, classrooms, or even offices are truly amazing and can really motivate a lot of students here. I was also immersed how Taiwan's rich and well-preserved culture and even how people respect one another. Now that I'm here in Taiwan, living at Nanyang University of Technology, I really appreciate how people here respect one another, not only inside the classroom but also in a daily life. From a simple interaction at 7-Eleven, dormitory, or school, or even in the highway, there's a real sense of community that makes me feel inspired and welcome here in Taiwan. As we continue our journey here at Nanyang University or in Taiwan, I hope we can achieve the goal we have been reaching and striving since day one. As we all here pursuing our majors for 4 years or more, I believe that all of our hard work will pay off in the near future. Regardless of the mistake or failures that we make, let's use them as a motivation to improve ourselves and move forward with a greater confidence. Let us all here keep pushing, keep striving, keep dreaming, and the most important, keep discovering new opportunities here in Taiwan. Let's start our journey at NKUT with positivity and joy. Ciao. 谢谢大家。